Toolbox is on.
Toolbox? I love that show. You're talking about the show where a firefighter can learn at his own pace without being made fun of?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby, but
It's time! It's time!
Hello and welcome to this third episode of Toolbox.
Today we'll be looking at Compartment 1 on Truck 1305, Lieutenant, a truck that has a number of uses.
That's right. Truck 1305 is a service truck, a medical first response unit, and it carries one of our two sets of extrication equipment.
Although the engine is the fire service's backbone, the service truck serves a very important role of support to the fire service.
Let's take a closer look at Compartment 1 on Truck 1305. We'll start by going through the bottom shelf, and I'll show you guys our triage kit. We have 4 different colors, meaning 4 different things. Green, minor; black, deceased; red, immediate care; and yellow next to immediate. We have supplement for our vehicle stabilization equipment, vehicle stabilization box, fire tape, 2 ram feet, and a wheel chalk.
We will move now to the second shelf. Beside this shelf, we have 2 pieces of plexiglass for busting windows when we have to take a window out of a automobile during extrication procedures. We have a box of chain, a toolbox with an assortment of tools, PET O2 mask, a come-along, and also the handles for the come-along.
We will now move to the third shelf of Compartment 1. A set of bolt cutters, a small sledgehammer, a Halligan bar with a can opener tool on the end of it, a monkey wrench, crash axe, residential water key, blanket, rubber mallet, tack stick for measuring live lines, hydrant cheater bar, and E-flares for landing zone safety.
We will now move to the top and final shelf of Compartment 1. We have red and blue air hoses for use with the airbags. The inflation and deflation tools are within the black bag right here for the airbags. The airbags themselves in assorted sizes, along with plywood of assorted sizes. Hazardous material absorbent pads, hazardous material absorbent socks or booms, and finally the template for shoring operations is also found attached to this shelf via D-ring. This concludes our look at Compartment 1 on Truck 1305.
I think we can find a number of uses for the tools we reviewed today, don't you agree?
I do, Lieutenant, and I look forward to exploring other compartments and other tools in future episodes of Toolbox.
I agree. We will see you next time on
Toolbox.